This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the original, duplicate the background layer now, and convert that copy to a smart object. This gives you non-destructive control and lets you apply Camera Raw as a filter, so you can tweak indefinitely. Once done, open Filter Camera Raw Filter immediately. Make sure the histogram is visible so you can see clipped highlights. This first action prevents permanent changes, and it sets you up to correct brightness, precisely instead of guessing with RAW. In Camera Raw, you focus on the basic panel, reduce exposure slightly to regain overall detail, then pull highlights and whites back much more to recover blown areas. You'll see texture return as you slide. If midtones look flat, add a touch of clarity or dehaze to bring contrast, but keep it subtle. Raise shadows a bit to avoid crushing darker areas. Make sure to toggle the preview on and off to compare before and after. That confirms you're not overdoing corrections. Finish by adding a curves adjustment layer for precise contrast control. Create a gentle S-curve and paint the layer mask to limit contrast where needed. If colors shift after bright reduction, correct them in HSL/color or with a vibrant slider so skin tones and highlights read naturally. If you still see blown highlights, reduce exposure slightly more or use Camera Raw's local brush to target specific spots. Troubleshooting tip: if highlights remain clipped, duplicate the smart object, set blend mode to multiply at low opacity, then mask it in. This recovers detail without color distortion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.